Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. We are trying out a flat iron brush today. And I know you guys have seen these things around. They've been around forever and they all suck, right? And I say that because I have tried a lot of these like brushes throughout the years many times, right? And I'm like, I will never spend my money on another flat iron brush ever, right? Because they never work, right? They don't get your hair straight, that your hair gets tangled. It doesn't look shiny. It looks frizzy. Like I have tried a lot, right? Well, Karen told me I have this one brush I got and I was like, she goes, you need to buy it. I'm like, I'm not going to buy it. She was like, okay, fine, then try mine. But mine is absolutely horrible looking because it is old. And so I thought, okay, I'll try yours. I'll make a video. If it works, if it works, I'm going to be mind blown. My mind is going to be blown. If it doesn't, I told you so. Okay, so my hair and Karen's hair are very, very different in texture. You can see that she uses a lot of product on hers. This is smoking. I don't know if you can see the smoke. Okay, I'll show you guys a close-up of it smoking. And we have it at 450 degrees. You have an on button, a down button, as you can see, and an up button, right? She says you can touch it. I'm kind of scared to touch it. Oh, yeah, you can touch it. Look, it's not hot, right? But you can feel the steam or the heat coming off of it, right? Okay, so I thought I would test it out on this video when my hair is nappy looking, I guess you could say. So let me just pull it down. I just did my makeup, but look, so my hair has not been brushed. It is just like, it is tangly, right? And it needs some product in it and it needs to be combed. So I'm going to put my holy grail of hair products, and that is my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine drops, which I am almost out of. I use this every single time before I put heat to my hair, or even afterwards to style it. It acts as a conditioner almost on my hair, as far as like it detangling my hair once I get out of the shower. And it also protects your hair from getting damaged. Gives you this nice shine too. So you guys can see we got it in the hair. Let's go ahead and just comb through our hair with our brush and see. Ow! I did not brush my hair last night. And when I tell you it works as a detangler, that's usually most of the time, but not right now because my hair is like extremely naughty because I just went to bed with my hair wet. I'm going to show you guys how much volume I have after I comb all of this. Oh, I didn't even mention the name. This is by Head Kandy. Candy with a K. Head Kandy. And I looked up online. It had good reviews on Amazon, right? But it was a good penny. And I was like, I'm not paying that much. No way. I know it's not going to work. I'm telling you, Karen, I have tried these brushes for a long time and none of them work. My hair is just thick. It's puffy. It has a texture. You name it, it has it. So let me just throw my hair forward. There you go. That is my hair. I have a lot of hair, right? It is a thick texture. Will this work? Let's go ahead and just try it together. So anytime you use one of these brushes, most people just want to get it and comb through the hair like this. Maybe I should do that for you guys. You know what? I'll do that for you guys right now. I'm just going to comb through the top of it, and then we're going to section it off like you're supposed to do. So let's just comb. Okay, we're going to comb right here. We see the hair, and we're going to go. Oh, okay. Well, I will say that the hair actually goes into the brush. Lovely. What the freak? That was just one comb. Oh my goodness. Wait. I'm just going to comb it like I would be my own hair. What? Whoa. Can we see the curls and everything? Wow. I didn't even section off my hair. I always have to section off. You know what? Okay, you know what? Okay, you know what we're going to do? I'm going to part it in half, right? And we're going to do one section, wow, with it not sectioned off, and the other with it sectioned off, and see if there's a difference. Never have I come across a product like that where it did that without me even trying, really. I just combed on top. Okay, so let's see here. I'm going to get my bangs. I'm going to hold it, and I'm just going to comb it like I would with a flat iron. What in the... What? Okay. But see, I'm going underneath because I have these, like, these curls right there that I want to kind of straighten out. Okay, so now we're just going to comb it, right? We're just going to comb it like I think you guys would assume it to be like. It's on the maximum setting, just so you know, 450 degrees. Ow. Ow, it's hard. So I keep like banging my head because with the comb, I'm so used to going like this and brushing and brushing. And I guess I do kind of bang the comb against my head. OMG, don't do that. Okay, so let's just comb through it. Gotta get used to the hard bristles. Oh, okay. Got a knot there. It got stuck in. What in the world? Oh my gosh, this is gonna save me so much time and wow, look at this. Okay, well, hold on, because I do see a section right here. Oh, wait, but we're just combing this section, right? We're just gonna comb it like we would our hair. Wow, I do like that. Look, it's going on my forehead right here, you see? Look, and I don't feel no burn. So I feel like the heat is at the base of it. Or actually, you can actually see it. So the very tip is like a plastic, but below that tip is like a heating element. Very, very cool. And it does get super hot. Whoa, look at this. Remember, guys, this section we're just going to grab and comb through like this. We're not sectioning it off. We're just kind of grabbing big chunks and putting them in the brush, making sure our hair pops out on the other side and holding it at the end as you glide down. What in the world? And it's done. Wow. And this is why I like to section it, because you'll find pieces that you miss. But I have to say, Karen, I'm very impressed. Wow. Okay, now let's do it like we're supposed to do it. Get the bottom section. Pin that up. Pull it through. Make sure it's at the base and work it slow. Combing the hair. When you get to the end, make sure to hold it all the way and then let it go. Whoa, that's nice. Guys, and look at the sections. I know I'm sectioning it off. I'm grabbing pretty big sections. I'm not grabbing like rinky-dink little sections. I'm so used to getting my brush and having to do this, but we're not going to do that. That is a pretty darn big section, as you can see. So I'm going to push it all the way, make sure my hair goes all the way through, and then glide it through the hair by holding the end and making sure that it is tight. Okay guys, so when you section it off, you can see the biggest difference. This part is sectioned off. So you're taking smaller individual pieces, making sure that it's all nice and smooth. It becomes more smooth when you section it off. Look at this. Like, it looks amazing. But look at this. This looks amazing for me just combing through it really quick, pretty much. This brush is actually designed for people who don't have the time and need to straighten their hair. So let's say that I went through all of this like this, you know, I went through the hair on this side, like I'm just combing big sections like that. Well, what I will say is you're doing that, right? If you're doing that, because you're saving time. That's what this is designed for, is to save women time when they don't want to have to section off. I mean, obviously, if you section off, it comes out, I think, much, much prettier. Look at the shine on my hair, guys. Like, both sides, but more so this side because it's more all evenly straight. Look at that. Like, the shine's amazing. This is an amazing, amazing brush. I'm actually blown away. Yes, I am. But all I'm going to say is if you brush through it really, really quick, right? Just go ahead and finish it off at the end with the section, the very, very last section, and go slow on that section and kind of curve like this. You see? So you can get more of a, like, an even shine on top. And when I say on top, it literally means like this last section of hair. So this is the section that shows right here, right here. Check it out. This section right here. This whole top section. So let's say, let me just do an example really quick. So I'm going to pin this out of the way. Let's just say I went through all my hair like this with this brush, right? And I'm like, whoo, rapid. Got like 5 minutes to do my hair for work type of thing. Rapid. Okay, and you can see, look, I'm grabbing all, that's just 2 chunks. That's my whole side of the head. Look at it, it came out beautiful. So let's say I'm doing this, right? Getting ready for work, right? Done. I did that in like, I don't know, less than 5 minutes. Then I pull down this last section, just section off this last section, and then divide it like 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be 3 sections, right? So I'm going to take this and just twirl it back. And then this section here, since this is the one that everybody sees, take this and then go like this up. Make sure not to burn yourself because you can feel the heat coming off of it. And go really, really slow on this top section, right? Going forward and then just kind of curving it like that. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Okay, let's grab that next section. And the reason I'm telling you guys to do it this way, if you decide to buy this brush, which if I can find a link, I'll post it down below in the description and the comment section. If you decide to do this, the reason I'm doing this, right, is because when you pull over direct forward like this, it's going to give me more volume. And when you curve under just a little bit, as you can see, it's going to give me a wave in my hair. So remember, I don't know why I keep using this, because you can actually use this comb for everything. Just push it all the way through to the base. Go more slow on this top section. And then check it out. So when we're done, just look how shiny it is. Wow. When we're done, and I flip it back. So let me flip it back. Hold on. Okay, so I flip it back. And then I bring it over here to this side. You can see how much more volume you get when you over direct it forward and straighten it. Now, as far as this thing steaming, honestly, I think it's because Karen had so much product that she used and she hasn't cleaned this. I don't know how you would clean this. Besides, like, get it maybe like a little skewer, a wood skewer, and go through, take off the hair, because obviously, like, my hair got stuck in it. But wow. Wow. Now, is it the most straight? Is it the straightest straight that you see with a really good quality flat iron? No. No, it's not. But it gives you that volume. I'm actually super impressed with this, guys. Let me know if you had the same impression of brush flat irons like I had. You know, where you're like, I tried it before in the past and they suck. They have not improved it. Nobody can improve it. But like, gosh, if you're like in a rush, if you're going to work, you're going to school, and you don't have the time to section off your hair, I would say this is a fantastic investment. Like, look at my hair. It looks like I actually spent some time doing it. It has that volume to it. So a flat iron a lot of times will flatten it between 2 ceramic plates and make it bone straight so that cuticle is nice and flat, shiny, right? This is not doing that. So this is just flattening and making shine and making it straight on one side of the hair. So obviously the other side of the hair that's not touching the heat directly is going to be fuller. And that's why my hair actually looks like it has more body, because it's fuller, because that other side of your hair strand is, the cuticle is more up instead of being more flat, because like I said, flat iron will squish it regardless if it's a ceramic, which is that ceramics are the best, or a metal flat iron. So we're not squishing, we're flattening one side, leaving the cuticle open on the other. And that's where you're going to get a lot of this volume from. Honestly, guys, hands down, I would say 9 out of 10. I would say, yeah, actually, I would say 9.2 out of 10. What's the difference? A 9 out of 10 I would give this, or a 10 out of 10 actually, because you save time, you save money, because it's honestly, I would feel like you don't damage your hair as much with this, because like I was saying, it's only getting one side of the hair strand and it's not getting both, and it's not flattening it. Not saying that it's bad to flatten both sides of the hair strand and flatten that cuticle. It's not bad, but obviously if you're flattening both sides, you're going to get more damage to that hair, and you're going to have to do treatments, more conditioning treatments and stuff to keep it healthy. This, I feel like, gives you the option of having just a little bit more volume with getting it straight, but having that volume to it. Totally worth it. Totally awesome device. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, because I have found a new holy grail of mine. And like I said, if I can find this, I will post the links down below. And I want to give a shout out to my best friend, one of my BFFs, Karen, for letting me borrow her very dirty flat iron, but very awesome flat iron. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being there. Thank you for supporting my channel. I love all of you guys. Let's go ahead and just roll on over to the quote of the day. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye. So today's message is just for you. Personalized just for you. In about 7 seconds, you're going to see a bunch of pictures go by. And what I want you to do is take a screenshot. And in that screenshot is the message just for you. So let's start. What did you get?